Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we have seen that when taking the input for the department, so we have only a list, we have only 3 departments and we are giving a key that does not exist in the department list. Still we are taking that input and creating an object. So here we don't have any problem, but when we are taking an input from the user, then in that case we need to check whether that key exists or not. So either we will put one while loop or we can check it here by asking if app.dept_list.has key, that is dept. So if it is okay, or we can put here not, then we can print the message, print please enter the correct department ID. So I think this not is not a proper keyword. Key is equals to false. So if it is false, then the message will be printed like this, and again we will ask here to take that input, and to ensure this, again we need to check whether that key is correct or not. So instead of doing this, we can put one while loop, true, and all this statement comes under that while loop. So if the taken dept exists into this list, and if it is false, then this message is printed and the loop will be continue. Otherwise we will put one else block, and in that we are going to break this particular loop. Now this loop is breaked when the department key is entered by the user will exist. Otherwise it will continue this loop until the user has not going to pass the correct value. So in this way we can handle that particular situation that arises earlier. Now if we again look at that particular field, here some modification. So let's run this. CDPY video menu driven Python app.py. So here is the program. I'm going to enter first, and let's say name Amit, department. Here I try to enter 4, so please enter the correct department ID. Again I am getting the choice, so I need to press 1. Then salary of the employee is 1000. That's it. So here comes a new options. We can put that clear method above in the while loop, so that it will clear the screen and it will continue with this. So again adding one more employee, Ravi, and it's from sales department. Salary is 1000. That's it. I will exit, and we will implement a display method that will be used to display the records that we have added in the list. So in the next video we are going to see how to implement that display method that is used to display our tabular data by department wise or all the employee in a tabular form.